Hey guys, we're doing Minecraft today again. Yeah. With my friend on his SMP. Again.
So, I lost like half of my netherite stuff and then I got it back.
Yeah, he's kind of good at the game.
Alright, that's some fall damage.
And I have a lot of diamonds.
Yeah, I gave him a stack, like, because I accidentally was ignoring him.
Yeah.
Bro, I don't like piglins. I literally do not.
Our world is going great. We have a chicken farm.
We have a chicken farm. I'm working one.
And we have Almighty Chicken Chad.
We have Almighty Chicken Chad on the farm. Yeah.
And now I'm gonna hatch some chickens. This is part 5. I hope you can hear my friend on Discord, because you can in the other videos, but he's kind of quiet right now. Oh yeah,
I should probably go on my
Mr.
computer
Cookie,
with my
you're low-key
headphones.
kind of quiet.
Alright, hold up. I'll fix that.
Damn,
Give me a second.
those were a dry streak of eggs. I got like a stack without an inch. Oi, you think you can escape? Get out of here. Come back. Now, while my friend fixes his mic, leave in the comments what you think of our world. This is my house, but it's kind of broken. We can't break anything. Yeah, this area is just kind of broken. Lava. Nice. What are we in a fish farm? We also have a fish farm. I don't know, my game's lagging, I guess. I'm not only gonna post Minecraft, by the way. I'm gonna post Fortnite and other vids. But it's just that I've been playing Minecraft because I just got it, and I don't know, it's fun. But oh yeah. I'm gonna do a Fortnite video probably for tomorrow. It's gonna be ready for tomorrow, so be ready. And go watch part 1, 2, 3, and 4 if you haven't already.
Sorry that this is taking so long.
It's fine. I'm just waiting for my friend now. So don't click off the video. It's gonna be very cool, okay? This video we're gonna do a lot of good stuff. Oh yeah, he got a cat. Spots. Does he eat chicken? What does he eat?
Hello?
Hi, I can hear you better now.
Because I switched to my computer. I'm wearing my headphones now.
Okay.
Can you hear me still?
A little bit. I think you need to be a little closer to your mic.
I am close to my mic. It's like right in front of me.
Okay, yeah. Sometimes I can hear you good, sometimes I can't, but it's fine. I can hear you all the time, so. Okay, time to get started with the actual video. Mr. Cookie, you there?
Alright.
Yeah, I just need to get something. Oh!
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're annoying! Frick you, you're so mean.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Give me my bread back. I had 44.
I didn't pick up your bread.
Good.
Oh, wait, I didn't give you your things.
Yeah. That's a lot of stuff. Yo, all my stuff is at such bad quality now. What?
How'd you get up here? Get up here.
What? Stop.
Get up here.
I don't know. I got up here somehow, I guess. How did I get up there?
Alright, now let's go to the nether.
I don't want to go to the nether. Stop hitting me! You're so annoying!
You don't want to go to the nether anymore?
You're so annoying!
I'm punching you. It's not even hurting you. You want me to slap you with the meat? That sounded way too bad. That sounded terrible.
Still, you're being rude!
It's literally meat! It's beef!
Who cares? Can you stop hitting me? Like, it's annoying, okay? Like, get over here. The hell? How the hell did I get over? Slept.
My fish broke!
You should have gotten unbreaking them. Like, I'm just saying. I have too much gold.
Alright, I'm gonna go and farm for some of the tasty thing called, you know,
Thing.
netherite. That thing. Nether thingy. Yeah, sure.
Oh. Yeah, I'm making so much bars of gold. Give me this. Bars, I'm rich. Okay. This is, I don't know why I have so much diamonds. My good friend, Mr.
He
Cookie.
gave like most of them to him.
Yeah, Mr. Cookie gave them to me. Yeah.
Sound nice, I guess.
Yeah, he's pretty nice. You should probably be nice if
I'm
you're
gonna
not.
break the glass.
That's just your bad. They can get out, you know.
I'm gonna break it. Look.
I'm gonna go hatch them.
I broke some with the glass.
You have to feed them so they make more egg.
Yeah, I need to feed them. Oh, that's why I just noticed something about.
Holy.
That's right, Chad.
Chicken Chad.
Let me go get the seeds. I'm gonna go to your guys' farm.
No. How is he getting out? Let me out. Dude. Let me out. Y'all can go free in one condition. This egg spawns 4 baby chickens. Y'all have to die now.
I dare you to make that bet every single day until it's actually true.
Should I kill some of the chickens? They're already getting to the door. So I'm killing some. This is the cruel reality kid watching this. Chicken farms do this all the time. How you get your dinosaur nuggies, they do it like that.
Good point.
Except maybe not with a
Make
sword.
the chicken? You think we make the chicken? You think we get it from a dinosaur? No, we take it from your farm. That was weird. I shouldn't have.
There's so much chicken in the chat. There's 25 and it's all mine.
Alright, I'm gonna go in and feed every single one of them. I have so much seeds.
Oh, good, because they need to repopulate.
They can't. Oh, you stupid chicken baby. Yeah, go in. Go in, you stupid chicken baby.
I got 6 levels from killing them.
Hottest Mario character.
I know that song from the video.
What is it?
It's Hey Ya by Outkast. I Shazammed it, or like, I asked Siri what it was. Siri actually got it right. I listened to the song. Not a bad song. How'd you get all the way over here? Yes.
I'm gonna go get some netherite.
Okay, can I have some this time?
No, I'm giving it all to you.
Okay. You're nice.
It'll take a bit though. Last time I just got lucky because I haven't mined that much netherite before. Because I'm pretty far away.
My chest needs so much reorganizing. Holy.
Oh, damn.
What? What happened?
I almost died.
Should I be scared for my life? Okay, I'm gonna feed all of them. I have a stack of wheat seeds. I can get even more.
Should I make scaffolding?
We need. I'm gonna go make bone meal.
Make some scaffolding?
Yeah, you can clutch with it and do like a flying glitch.
No, it'd be easier to build.
Yeah, that's true. Guys. Bone meal. Growing plants is so easy when you have bones. Look how fast this grows. Ooh. Look at that. How the bones do that? No idea. You still on the Discord call?
I'm about to legit come back with both netherite, ancient debris, and some pearls too.
Pearls?
Yep, I just got a pearl.
Wait, in this server we gonna beat the Ender Dragon?
Yeah, we can beat the Ender Dragon.
Yes.
Do you want to beat the Ender Dragon with me?
Well, not today.
Not today. Like part 10, 20.
Yeah, sure.
Because my goal right now is to fight the wither first.
Yeah.
Episode 1 was just to build at least one house, which I've already done before, we got onto that.
You should make a Minecraft series on your SMP.
I should.
Well, next SMP, because this one's already pretty far. I'm feeding all the chickens.
I did not meet the third fellow. Dang it.
Can y'all do something.
Alright, I have like, wait, let me see how much ancient debris I have. 20, alright, 20. I'm gonna go for 32, it's enough to make an entire
How long have I been recording for?
2 pickaxes, axe, and a full sword, and a full armor of diamond, of netherite, if I get 32.
Okay.
I need to get ancient debris, and if I want to get 32, I need 12 more.
You already have
I
so
need
much.
12 more.
How? You have like the best luck.
Sorry, I went back to the overworld to find a new place to, I mean, not to the overworld, to find a new place to, you know, find some ancient debris.
Oh yeah, go back to your cave.
Alright, now I'm gonna continue mining.
You should go back to your cave and find the nether portal. You had the good luck in there. Did you find one?
I fell into some lava.
Did you die?
No, I'm alive still.
Lucky duck.
You have no clue how lucky I am, because I just drank it. I literally did some trading, because I got some of the tasty things. I got some gold in there. Now I just need to head back, because I have enough ancient debris now.
I don't really have that much gold. But I have enough. Wait, how much ancient debris did you get?
32.
I don't have enough for 32.
So you can take all the gold I have. I'll give you it.
Okay.
Alright, well, I just came back from my phone. Fill her up.
Go to your house.
We should make some Roblox videos together. That'd be fun.
Roblox. Guys, leave in the comments if you want Roblox.
Yeah, some Roblox. Just leave it in the comments.
Because I don't know. It might be cringe. It might be fun. It might, I don't know, be not fun. So if you guys want Roblox videos, leave it in the comments. Because I don't know.
Yeah, do that.
Face reveal at 100 subs. I'm just kidding. I don't know.
Alright, I'm smelting some.
We gotta go to sleep.
Where you
It's
at?
dark.
Where you at? Where are you?
I'm going to your house right now.
Oh, alright. I have 36 gold for you right here. There you go.
Thanks. Super Pat Gamer. Join real craft. I need to read this. /join real craft. A new survival that will blow your mind! Exclamation point. Okay. How much gold is one piece?
No clue. Good question, actually.
I'm gonna make some like this. Wait, is this all mine?
What's all yours?
This nether.
The one that's smelting, yeah.
Yo. Nice.
Do you want me to make all your stuff netherite for you?
I know how to do that in the smithing table.
Alright, good.
Dun, 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 dun. Bow, bow. Bow.
Alright, let's see which discs Spots wants to listen to. Stall?
Stall is. How did you even get stall?
I don't know. I just found it in my chest.
Which one is this? Wait.
Wait.
I like it. It's like my favorite. Well, stall is my favorite. Okay, you have 4 gold left. Here.
You know my favorite one.
I'm gonna upgrade my pick. Netherite pick. Let's go.
Should I upgrade my leather boots and give it unbreaking?
Wait, I can't hear you with the music.
Oh,
Can you take it out?
should I give my leather boots unbreaking 3?
I don't know. Wait. Can you put unbreaking on my pick? I can.
Yep.
Cause I have 9 levels. I'm good.
Give it. I will.
Here.
How much? Why don't you put make your? Can I rename it for you?
Yeah. And I'm gonna make my armor netherite now. Bow. Which one should I do first?
Oh, just do all of it. You have enough.
Okay, yeah. Okay. Bam, helmet. Bam, netherite. There, netherite helmet.
All right. Now let's see what you want to listen to next. Pick step.
Pig step.
Yes.
Bam. Cover me in the brick. Okay, I fixed my
Let's
chest.
see.
Wait,
Malahai?
Malahai. I
Yes.
fixed my
Alright.
check. I
Tell me when
fixed
you want
my
to
chest plates and my boots.
Nice.
I should have fixed them with diamonds instead of
Yeah.
using my netherite. But still, doesn't matter.
I'll ask if my cat wants to listen to lots of things. Spell next? Yes.
Epic pickaxe.
Yeah, I named it Epic Pickaxe. Sorry.
It's fun. I like it.
Guess what's for it?
Stall.
Nice.
Boom.
Something out of Pink Panther, not gonna lie.
Yeah. This does sound like Pink Panther. I'm gonna enchant my. I came in the perfect time. I was at my house and the recorder part just started playing. Wait, I have my recorder right here. I'm gonna go get it. I got my recorder.
What instrument do you play at school?
We didn't get instruments this year because of COVID.
What instrument would you get this year?
I don't know. My mom wants me to get violin.
I got the trombone.
Damn.
Wanna listen? You want me to go get it?
Maybe not right now. Maybe after.
Alright, makes sense.
Okay. This is the most.
These discs are very valuable to me.
This is the most scuffed recording.
Very stuffed.
Actually, guys, go watch part 1, 2, 3, and 4 before you watch this one, cause.
Yeah, watch them in order, please.
Yes,
Thank
or
you,
unless you're
because-
like weird or something.
Unless you're weird and you like spoilers, then sure, go at it. You probably should have put that at the beginning of the video instead of the middle.
I said it at the beginning just in case they didn't hear. I'm saying it again.
Alright. Boo doo 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 doo. Beep. Boop, 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 boop.
Leather is sacred because there are no cows here. I have an efficiency 2, whatever this is, shovel.
Nice.
Efficiency 2 sword.
I dare you to punch me. I dare you to punch me.
No, you're gonna hit me back.
No, I won't. Promise. That's my enchant. It's called thorns.
Oh!
If you hit me, it'll hit you back. So let's say you hit me with your sword, it would do the exact same amount of damage to you.
I got it. Eat up, you
I'm
bird.
gonna feed them meat. I'm gonna feed them meat. Oh, a little baby just ran inside and the baby just
Okay,
died.
just kill them.
Guys,
Kill them.
both of you go in or else you're dead. Go.
They're dead.
Kill them. Kill them.
I didn't mean to hit you. I didn't mean to hit you.
Alright, it's just because now that I'm wearing this, if you hit me, it's gonna damage you as well. What is with these hitboxes?
Wait, what?
What are with these dang hitboxes?
I know. You can't even headshot the chicken.
Ah, I spawned 2 baby chickens.
Oh no. Oh, in the breeding area. Good. Eat up, eat up, eat up. Okay, we must have a lot of eggs now.
I literally already got out for one, so you don't have to worry. There's only 13. And two of them are actual. Actually, there's one in there.
Close the door, close the door, close the door.
Yeah. We have too much. Kill a few.
Okay. At least chickens have I'll feed them,
That's good. I think that's good.
Now we literally only have children.
They're all gonna grow up and then they're gonna lay more eggs and then...
That's good.
Oh, I see one adult. 2 adults.
Yeah, that's it, bro. That's pretty good. Now guys, if you want to join this SMP, you can't, cause
Yeah,
it's whitelist only.
it's whitelisted.
It's whitelist
And
only, which means
only people that we know well are allowed.
and that own Minecraft Java Edition, but
And yeah, and that's it. Oh my god, dude, I just found diamonds on the floor. I'm just kidding, those are from my chest.
oh my god. You kinda.
Have 11 diamonds.
Oh,
I don't need them. I already have a full netherite.
okay, I gotta go slep.
Alright, let's go slep.
I can't slep yet.
Why are you sleeping in my room all the time? Go to your house.
Well, can you make an ender chest?
I mean, I need to go find blaze rods then, so. And I need to find 2 pearls again.
I have a pearl.
Ooh. Give me it.
Wait. You don't have any blaze powder yet. You need that first.
I want to try sleeping in your house for once, because
it is a good house.
my house is like if I'm on the run, I can just go in quickly. I'm
Okay.
sleeping.
Okay, this is going to be the end of this video, guys. If you liked, please.
Like the video, please.
Like the vid. Oh shoot! Wait.
Oh, we woke up looking at each other. That's weird.
The vid. Yep. Okay, I'll
Stand
see
here.
you guys in the
Stand here.
next
Stand
episode.
here. Stand here.
Wait. Okay, sure. Just one last thing. Okay.
Before you end the video, stand here.
Okay.
Okay, you know what? I can't.
Okay. Video ending. Bye, guys. See you next time.